everyone, I'm Emily from District 89. Evaluation is a very important part in Toastmasters because this helps us know more about what we have done well and what we need to improve. And in Pathways, there's an evaluation form for each speech project. So let's see how we upload and save our evaluation form in Pathways.
To upload the evaluation form, we log in TI website and then go to Basecamp. And here, click Goes to Basecamp. And then after logging into our Pathways Basecamp, then we click on, which is on the right-hand bottom corner, My Documents. Then you can see your folders for level 1 to 5. For Icebreaker project, it is level 1. So we click on level 1 folder. Click the Add File button on the top right-hand corner. Then you can drag and drop your evaluation file here or select a file by browsing your computer. Then you can click Add. Then you will be able to see your evaluation form in this folder. So in future, you can either scan your evaluation form or simply take a picture of your evaluation form. Then you can upload them easily here. Then throughout your Pathways journey, you'll be able to collect all your evaluation forms and check how you progress in your journey throughout this time.